Oh, ho, ho.
Whoa!
That guy is crazy. Wow.
Look at that.
Today it's a very special day because my friend ES just called me and he said he's making a very big ride out. So as you all know, we have to go there, but I don't really know what scooter should I choose. So I haven't even finished editing last video. I guess I'm gonna have to take a break and go to the ride out. Should I choose the G4? Should I choose the G2 Master? Or maybe the Xiaomi? I kinda miss my G2 Master, so we definitely have to go with this one. Ah, the G2 Master feels so refreshing. Let's see that dual. Oh my god. This is what I like about the G2 Master. The power on this scooter is definitely something else. So I'm actually 20 minutes late. Hopefully people are still there. Let's see now the moment of truth. How many people? Oh my god, I can already see a lot of people. Holy shit. Helmet. Okay. Oh, hello. 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 Bro.
What's up, bro? You are a bit late.
Yeah. 20 minutes late. Where are we going?
To the picture.
To the what?
To the picture. To do a picture.
There are actually a ton of scooters here. Okay, so let's go steal. I'm gonna steal ES's awesome, right? No, please, no. Oh, no, no. Come on, come on. Go, 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 yes! Go, go, go. Bye, bye. Ho, ho. Holy.
You
forgot to set it up. You had the accelerator on 3 and 5 is maximum. Now it's faster.
Oh, I had the accelerator on 3?
Yeah.
And oh, so I didn't fully experience it.
Exactly. Whoa, ho, ho. Oh, look how many people there are. Holy shit.
Bro, why you left me in front? I don't know the road.
Okay, that's true. Whoa. The Hollow Knight is insane. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Oh. Oh, police. Hello. Bro, that Angwat is really pulling, bro. Why you are so slow? We don't have Hollow Knight.
There was an accident.
Where?
Cred că vin după noi poliția, bă.
Poliție? Uh-oh. E timpul să dispară. Oh, this G4 is cool.
Nu, las.
There is really,
N-aveți multitul.
your G4 doesn't have anything.
Light is cracked too.
It's kind of true.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's the minimal damage.
Yeah, it's the minimal damage.
It's the minimum amount of damage.
For how hard you fell. Why are you bullying me?
Bro, don't bully. Stop bullying.
Stop bullying. I have the gang right here.
No.
The mafia.
Very dangerous gang.
You bullying him one
The
more time,
Godfather.
I'm gonna jump.
Scared.
Bullying him one more time.
Yeah, you heard that? Fucker.
Fucker. Oh, he's actually jumping, look.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yo!
Whoa! Whoa!
You're okay?
You're okay? It's not a fair race. I'm not gonna beat you in that distance.
Shut up. You said it's better. Let's see if it's better. Come on, let's go.
Okay,
3, 2, 1, go. Bye bye, loser. I smoked the shit out of you. That guy is crazy. Honk, honk. Fuck them, bro. Fuck them all. Opa. You have to be really careful, otherwise we will crash.
Yeah, I know. In rideouts like this, you have to have full focus tonight.
Exactly, bro. I cannot even talk to the camera because I have to focus on the road.
1 second of not paying attention will equal.
You're dead. You end up here. You end up in the cemetery.
You end up in the cemetery.
Here we have a bicycle that is 8,500 euros. Wow, okay, this is insane. And the brakes, wow. Bro, what? Wow.
No suspension feedback.
Look at this. Let's try doing the same with the G2 Master, okay? You guys will be connected to me now. How do you feel about this ride out?
It's amazing, there's so many people.
Yeah, I know. Wow, damn it, the G4. I have to capture the moment. Wow. Wow.
Bro, saw that?
Bro, that was insane, bro. Wow. No. That was insane, bro. Huh?
I'm scared! Nu te da, nu te da, nu te da, nu te da!
Whoa! Oh!
Wow!
So. Oh.
What cute little helmet?
Look at that. Cute little white helmet has no problem on this.
So my camera is running out of storage.
He's lying, his camera did not run out of storage.
Look, I have only
He's going-
7 minutes
Cute
of
little white
filming.
helmet is abandoning the ride.
I have only 7 minutes of filming. So the ride out was amazing. This guy is still gonna film. He will send me his footage, I will use it. The ride out was insane. Goodbye.